In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Workspace. This suite brings your email, files, documents, spreadsheets, meetings, and calendar together so you can work smoothly across devices. I'll walk you through the essentials and share tips to keep everything organized and easy to manage. Start by going to the Google Workspace homepage and signing in with your Gmail or company account. Once you're in, you can switch between apps using the app launcher, the small grid icon. This keeps you moving quickly from email to files to meetings without losing your place. Let's begin with Gmail. Open Gmail, select Compose, type the recipient's email address, add a clear subject, and write your message. When you're ready, click Send. Keep messages concise and use the search bar to find past conversations fast. If you're collaborating, labels and stars help you track important threads. Next is Google Drive, your online storage. Open Drive and click plus new to upload files or create folders. Right-click any file to share it, rename it, download it, or move it into a folder. A consistent folder structure and clear file names make everything easier to find later, especially when you're working with a team. For writing, create a Google Doc from Drive by clicking plus new and choosing Google Docs. Start typing. Your changes save automatically. You can share documents, add comments for feedback, and collaborate in real time without emailing versions back and forth. For data, budgets, and trackers, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet. Enter data in rows and columns and use simple formulas to calculate quickly. For a total, type SUM A1 A10 and press enter. For an average, type average A1 A10. Keep headers clear and use basic formatting to make numbers easy to read. For meetings, open Google Meet and click New Meeting. Share the meeting link with participants, then join with your microphone and camera on. Before you start, check your audio and video settings so everyone can hear and see you clearly. For scheduling, open Google Calendar. Click on a date and time, add an event title, invite people, and hit Save. Calendar automatically sends invites and keeps everyone aligned. Use descriptive titles so invitees know exactly what to expect. Finally, here's how to share files properly. In Drive, right-click the file and select Share. Add the email addresses of the people you want to include. Choose the right permission. Viewer can see, commenter can leave feedback, and editor can make changes. When everything looks correct, click Send. Always double-check permissions to prevent accidental edits or oversharing. With these steps, you're ready to use Google Workspace confidently and keep your work